Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a folding card for Teachers Day. Now you can use this trick to make a folding card for any occasion, but this time I'm choosing to use it for a Teachers Day card. So as you see here, all you need is a piece of paper. It can be of any length. We are going to use it vertically and going to give it two folds, and we are going to draw on both the folds. So as you see me here, I first folded the paper and I'm going to draw my basic image. Now I chose to draw a cake, and when we open it up we can see more layers of the cake. You can choose any image that you think works for your occasion or you find cute. Many popular images are available, like say for example a fish. So once it's folded, it would look like a normal fish, and once you open the flap, it looks like the fish is opening its mouth, and similar many more. So if you want me to make tutorials for similar cards, please leave your comments below and I will get back to you with more similar videos. So here you see me. First I made the basic square, the cake shape, and only after that did I open up my entire page and just made these two lines to connect the dots. Now again, I could have used wavy lines. There is no rules for this, as long as whatever you are drawing, it makes sense both once the paper is folded and once the paper opens up. It should be seamless. It should look like, okay, yeah, that's what it is. So it could have been wavy lines. That's all right, that is not a problem. It can be of a different color as well. So I will be sharing more examples later to explain my point further. But getting back to this card, now here you see me, I'm just making the frosting of the cake. So what the wavy lines are showing is that your frosting is like, dripping or melting a bit. It just gives it that cute look. Now let's make some eyes. So again, there are so many choices that you have. You can make winking eyes. I decided to just take the cute little eyes that they look really bulging. So here is for the mouth. It's a smiling mouth. Now the tongue, as you see, the little curve of the tongue gives it like that okay, this particular face is smiling. So these small details are what is going to make your card different. I mean, you can just shade the entire circle black, but these small circles that you see, it would help it look much more defined, much more cuter. You don't really have to shade it with black color. You can choose blue or any other color, or if you have a theme going on, like I am making this on a white cardstock. If you were to choose a yellow one, you may want to go for a green eye shade or any other color. So this can be very customized if you have if it is for the Teachers Day also that you are going to draw for, and your teacher's favorite color. So maybe you can use and incorporate those colors or those designs. At the bottom of the cake also, those wavy lines represent the frosting, and so as at the top of it. Now here I tried to first actually I was just going to make the frosting, then I decided why not make it into clouds. So that's why there is a bit of uneven cloud shape there, but yeah, that's just how it is. You can choose to make a pony, so you can add a horn or ears or something like that. My paper was a little short for me to end up doing all the lines for the rainbow, so it's all right. As I mentioned, at the end of the it is the small details that is going to make your card look different or extra special or all those things. So it's okay. It's you who is going to know. The person who is receiving the card would not really realize that, okay, you went out of paper. That's why your rainbow lines are less. So then comes the coloring. I have chosen softer colors. I wanted the cake not to have very harsh colors, so I wanted a softer color. So you see me here using peach or pink or light blue. It is only for the frosting or the wavy lines on top of the cake that I have used purple color. More or less, all the other colors that I have used are with the theme of the cake. You can skip the sketch pen color and use acrylic color if you want. Again, as I said, it is completely your choice. What kind of a paper are you using? I found these watercolor markers to be the best for my card, just because of the end result that I was getting. I mean, these colors are bright. If I was to use say pencil colors, maybe I wouldn't get as bright an effect and as simple of an effect. Simply I just had to draw lines. So yeah, this is kind of my finished thing, for the front. Now I'm going to just do the bottom line, and we are going to start writing our message inside. This can easily be used for a happy birthday card as well. I mean, this is going to be so adorable. You can, instead of a cake, you can have a present box, and once the card is folded, it might look that, okay, it's a closed present box, and once you open it, it would be an open present box with a message saying happy birthday inside. So just see what feels right to you, what creativity is going to be the best for you, and just go with that. So again, for the font as well, I have used just the basic, something simple and decorative. I could have used block or 3D kind of message, but I just decided this is alright. So for the Happy Teachers Day card, I am going to do this one. I also have one more card for another teacher of my kids. So I'm going to make it with my kids. I will be sharing that video soon. In the meanwhile, you may please go ahead and check my channel for more similar videos. I have many craft and art projects for you. In fact, at the beginning, we have also done some school projects. There is another video of a library school project, and that too 3D. So we will be sharing more similar videos, and I hope you really like them. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe and like and share, of course, these videos with your friends and family. And most importantly, if there is anything that you have in mind you can't find out, or you would want us to make a video and share with you, any kind of a card or a craft idea, I welcome you to share your comments below. So as for today, this is our card. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.